Hello everyone, my name is Sanskriti Sethi and welcome to Soul Revolution with Sanskriti. So this video is about the 4-stage program that we are offering. So I'm sure many of you must be already knowing about the program, but still if you need more insights, this video is going to help you. So in our 4-stage program, the first stage is about the Advanced Soul Report. This report has the insights from your soul about your soul purpose, about your soul lessons, about your spiritual journey, about the need of the emotions of your soul, about the energy balance in your body. It also caters the messages from your Akashic records, the karmas and the belief system of your soul, your body, and your life in the current situation. Also, it helps you understand about why things are happening in your life. So there's a pre-work that is being provided before you start this journey for your stage 1. Once you complete that, you have good insights, you have a better understanding about what you are actually looking from this program. So this first stage helps you know about why things are happening to you and how you will be going forward to help yourself. Okay. In stage 2, we do the healings with the Akashic records. These healings are the findings that we give you in the stage 1 report. So after the healings, we give an exclusive Zoom session. It's a 30-minute session that we offer. In this Zoom session, you can experience the energies around you. You can experience the energies attached to you. You will be able to see how beautifully you have been healed and you are healing. So this Zoom session, we have people who really love these sessions, and they cry in the session. Their emotions are like really very real in this session because they actually can feel that how things are happening to you, right? And that is why this 4-stage journey is an experience based journey, because you will be able to understand yourself that yes, things are happening to me, things happened to me in past, and how it is helping me now and how it will help me in future. So in first and second stage, you understand that why things are happening to you, and the upper crust of your soul is being healed, so that you understand that how now your journey will gonna begin, where you will be taking decisions in a better way, in a way where you are aware, in a way when you know what actually you are doing, and it's not a life where you're just moving and moving and moving and you really do not know that where you have to reach. Okay. In the stage 3, this is an exclusive workshop that we give. It is meeting your spirit guides. So we cater a lot many things in this workshop, where we make you understand about what are spirit guides, how many type of spirit guides are there, what kind of answers do you get from the spirit guides, how do you recognize them, how do you meet them, how you can meet them after the session, how they help you, how they have been helping you, and how they come into our life through different modes and different messages, different ways. We also make you understand and recognize your psychic abilities. So there's a lot many things that we cover in this workshop. And why you should do this workshop? Because spirit guides are the authentic, real divine friends that are staying with you, are helping you, are guiding you, where you will never doubt. You may doubt a person's advice, saying, oh, it might turn to be good or not good, not that good maybe. But when you ask your spirit guides, and when you have messages where you understand that how these things are helping you, you automatically keep deepening your connection and your conversation, your communication with them, and they really help you on your daily basis, in fact in the smallest part of your lives, right? Smallest decisions of your life. So after stage 3, we take you to stage 4, where you understand the wisdom of Akashic records. You learn everything related to the Akashic records. What are Akashic records? How people read Akashic records? What are the tools and techniques that is being used to access the records? How you have to open and close the records? Why people are not able to access the records sometimes? Because People say they can also do it on their own. Of course they can do it on their own, and there's nothing in the world that people cannot do on their own. But then when you have guidance with you, when you have a coach with you, when you have understanding with you, you are able to move on that path smoothly. Okay, so it is not that you cannot do it. Everyone in this world can do anything which exists in any fragment of this universe. But having a coach with you who makes you understand things in a smoother way and walk this path is cherry on the cake. So in this Akashic Records, we also teach you how do you have to heal your wounds and any kind of foreign energy that exists in or around your body or at soul level. You understand the relation, you can ask anything from the records. So there are a lot many things that is being covered in this workshop. So this 4-stage journey, starting from recognizing your wounds to healing them, is a journey where you will be able to understand that yes, now you know things, you're healing things, you can ask things, and definitely you can know things from your past as well. This is a journey just for yourself, just for your self development, just for your self empowerment, so that you do not have to go to anyone and ask that why this happened with me or why this is happening to me. Sometimes people also come up and say, why can't we just join stage 3 or stage 4 directly, and if you do not want to live the own journey, the whole journey, the entire journey. So my answer to all those people around there is that if you don't know the basic, that why are you suffering, why you are not a clean vessel, how can you be in a vibration where you will come and say, okay, I want to learn this, and after the workshop you do not know that why you have done this, why you have been here, and you don't understand that why are you building this connection, right? So any program in the world is developed in a way where it can help you fully. You cannot directly take admission into 9th standard or 10th standard saying I'll just only give the boards away and then be in college. No, it's not like that. You have to pass every class to be in the second class. All right. So I hope this video helped. If you still have any queries, you can connect with me directly. My WhatsApp number is 9634003939. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can also visit our website www.sanskritiseti.com. Thank you so much, and love and light to everyone.